Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn English at home. We are learning past tense and its type. In previous video, we have already learned the first type of past tense, and that is simple past tense. A simple past tense is used to show the action happened or completed in a specific time in past. See the examples. I went there in 2019. She completed her course in last January. So these two sentences, they are in simple past tense.
Now let's learn about the next tense of past tense, and that is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is also known as past progressive tense. For example, he was writing a poem last night. In above sentence, it shows that an ongoing action in the past or an action was continuing in past. Now look at this timeline or tense line for past continuous tense. For example, I started working at 4 p.m. I finished working at 6 p.m. Now it is 8 p.m. means I started working and finished working in past. In between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. I was working. The action was continuing or action was ongoing. So above timeline of past continuous tense shows that the action was ongoing or continuing in past in a specific duration from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. In this duration, the action was continuing or ongoing. So this is a past continuous tense. Now look at these sentences in past continuous tense. First, I was watching TV. Second, you were working hard. Third, I was learning cycling last year. Fourth, she was studying when the doorbell rang. Fifth, Pita was dancing while her brother was playing tabla. All these sentences, they are in past continuous tense. Now, see the structure of the sentence in a past continuous tense. For example, they were playing basketball after school. Here, they is the subject of the sentence. Where is the to be's form. Here, we use was or were as the to be's form. Then, present participle, that is verb plus ing form. Then object and the remaining sentence. After school is the remaining sentence. Now look at these sentences. Amit was playing guitar in the party. They were flying kites on last Sunday. In above sentences, to be its forms was and were shows that the sentences are in past tense. And the present participle, that is playing and flying, shows that the action is continuing or ongoing. So, to be's form plus present participle, that is verb plus ing, show that the sentences are in past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, we use was and were as the to be's form. See the chart. The chart has three columns: person, singular pronoun, and plural pronoun. If the subject of the sentence is I, that is first person singular pronoun, we use was as the to be form. I was watering the plants. If the subject of the sentence is we, that is first person plural pronoun, we use were as the to be form. We were watering the plants. If the subject of the sentence is you, that is second person singular pronoun, we use were as the to be form. You were watering the plants. If the subject of the sentence is you, that is second person plural pronoun, we use were as the to be form. You were watering the plants. If the subject of the sentence is he, that is third person singular pronoun, we use was as the to be form. He was watering the plants. If the subject of the sentence is she, that is third person singular pronoun, we use was as the to be form. She was watering the plants. If the subject of the sentence is it, we use was as the to be form. It was looking at the plants. If the subject of the sentence is they, that is third person plural pronoun, we use were as the to be form. So this is the use of was were as the to be form in past continuous. Now let's learn the use of past continuous tense. First, a past continuous tense is used to show habitual actions in the past with the adverbs like always, all the time. Habitual actions means that used to continue in past tense. See the example. My brother was always crying in his childhood. Second, I was making spelling mistakes all the time in my school time. So these two sentences, they show that the habitual actions that were continuing in past. So both the sentences, they are in past continuous tense showing the habitual actions. Now see the next use of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to show ongoing or continuous action in a specific time in the past. See the example. I was working as a cashier in October. In 1999, I was working as a teacher. So here was working, it shows the sentences are in past continuous tense. And these two actions that happened in a specified time, that is in October and in 1999. The next use of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to show two parallel actions happen at the same time. See the timeline or tense line. It shows past tense, present tense and future tense. The two parallel actions that happened before the present tense, before the present time in past, they were continuing in past at the same time. So they are parallel actions. See the example. Suman was dancing while Arshad was playing tabla. So Suman was dancing, this is one action, and Arshad was playing tabla, these two actions, they were happening at the same time. The word while, it shows that they were happening at the same time. So these are the parallel actions. Past continuous tense is used to show the parallel actions. Second sentence, she was reading while mother was cooking dinner. Again, these two actions, she was reading and mother was cooking dinner, these are parallel actions in past continuous tense. Now the next use of past continuous tense. A past continuous tense is used to show past longer action was interrupted by another past action. See the example. He was walking on the footpath. This is a past continuous tense. This action was interrupted, it was broke by another action, that is when the rain started. So the longer action, it was shown by a past continuous tense. He was walking on the footpath. This is a longer action in past continuous tense, and the shorter action, that is when the rain started, it is given in simple past. It broke the longer action, that is he was walking on the footpath. So past continuous tense is used to show the interrupted action. Now let's learn the formation of negative sentence in past continuous tense. See the example. He was working last year. He wasn't working last year is the negative form of this sentence. They were watching the match. They weren't watching the match. This is the negative of this sentence. So, the structure of the negative sentence is subject, then wasn't or weren't, then the present participle, that is verb plus ing, object, and the remaining part of the sentence. In above sentences, he and they, these are the subjects of the sentence. Wasn't and weren't, these are the contracted forms of was not and were not. Working and watching, these are the present participle, verb plus ing. The match in the second sentence is the object of the sentence, and last year is the remaining part in the first sentence. So this is the structure of negative sentence in past continuous tense. Now let's learn the formation of a question in past continuous tense. So first, the formation of WH question. See the example. She was reading when I called her. So the question is, what was she doing when I called her? The structure of WH question in past continuous tense is WH pronoun. Here, what is the WH pronoun? Then to be its form was or were. Then the subject of the sentence. Then the present participle, that is verb plus ing, and the remaining part of the sentence. So see this question, what was she doing when I called her? In this question, what is the WH pronoun? Interrogative pronoun. What is the to be its form? Then she, that is the subject of the sentence. Doing, that is the present participle. When I called is the remaining part of the sentence or question. Now let's see how to form a verbal question in past continuous tense. A verbal question means yes no question. For example, he was waiting for the train for 2 hours yesterday. So the question is, was he waiting for the train for 2 hours yesterday? So the structure of verbal question is the to be's form was where, then the subject of the sentence, then the present participle, then the object or the remaining part complementary sentence. In the question, was he waiting for the train for 2 hours yesterday? Here, was is the to be's form. He is the subject of the sentence. Waiting is a present participle, and then the remaining part of the sentence. See the examples of Past continuous tense. First, my father was going to Japan. A dog was barking at a man. I was studying while he was reading the newspaper. A parallel action. He was not working when I called him. Interrupted action. Was it ready yesterday evening? A verbal question. The phone rang when I was washing the dishes. This is interrupted action. My laptop wasn't working properly in the office. Negative sentence. The moon was shining last year. Past continuous showing up a specific time. Were they preparing for the exam? This is a question, verbal question. They were dancing when teacher entered the class. An interrupted action.
If you like my videos, do like it, subscribe it and share it.